Over the last 1 month, my cryptocurrency portfolio has gone up over 5%. That's insane. And in this video, I want to show you exactly how you can make money online with Binance. Now, if you're new to cryptocurrency and you don't know what Binance is a website where you can buy and trade cryptocurrencies, but you can actually do a lot more to make money with this platform. And that's exactly what I want to show you how you can do in this tutorial. Now, I make money with cryptocurrency every single day, and I do videos all the time on some of the strategies that I use. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and you tap that notification bell so you know my next cryptocurrency video comes out. Now, the aim of this tutorial is to give you a quick tutorial that's perfect for beginners, showing you exactly how you can make money on Binance, and we're going to get this all done within 10 minutes. So make sure you stay tuned. Very short video, but make sure you watch all the way to the end so you don't miss out on any critical information. Now, once again, you could potentially win access to every single one of my products. What you're going to do is find the emoji in this video, smash that like button, and then comment below what that emoji is. Now, right now we have comments on approve only, so your comment might not show up, but I'll see it in the back end and I will pick a winner and approve that comment when we actually do the draw. And remember, guys, I do not promote NFTs. I don't ask you to join WhatsApp, and I don't ask you to join Discord. So if anybody is doing that using my name, it is completely fake, and don't go and get yourself in trouble by sending these people cryptocurrencies. It's a complete scam. So let's get into this video and I'll show you exactly how you can make money with cryptocurrency using Binance. Alright guys, first of all, before we get into this tutorial, if you don't know what Binance is, it's a website where you can buy and trade cryptocurrencies, but you can actually do a lot more than this to make money with Binance, and I'm going to explain to you in this video exactly how you can do it. If you don't already have an account, go up to the sign up section in the top right and sign up to get your own Binance account right now. Now, the first way to make money with Binance is simply going to be to build your own cryptocurrency portfolio. Now, all you want to do is head over to Binance.com, and there's two ways you can actually do this. If you want the quick and easy way and you already know what you want to buy, all you need to do is click on buy now, and you can go and buy a specific coin with your credit card, and you can buy all of these coins right here. There's a huge list of specific coins that you can buy. Now, keep in mind, you are going to want to do some research. When you're building a portfolio, you don't just want to throw your money into random coins. Like, for example, I have Bitcoin, Ethereum, because those are the main ones. I have a few smaller ones, but mainly I stick with the blue chip cryptocurrencies. So you want to make sure you actually know what you're doing. And you can also do what you call a recurring buy, where you buy coins at a specific time. So it'll be weekly, every single week on Saturday, right? Or you could change it to bi-weekly or monthly. Another way to build a cryptocurrency portfolio is to go into your wallet in Binance, scroll down, and you can actually find the specific coin you want to buy. So we can go into Ethereum here, we can go to trade, and then we can trade it for Australian dollars, Bitcoin. We can go all the way down to USDT. So for example, you say, hey, I want to trade USDT for Ethereum. I can click on that, and then what will happen is I can go and buy, trade, do whatever I want with this specific coin. Now, you'll notice that in here, I don't actually have much in this account. I have like a couple $1,000 because most of mine is on what we call a Ledger Nano. So this is an offline wallet to keep your coins safe. You want to go and purchase one of these if you're serious about building your cryptocurrency portfolio, and keep all of your coins on there. Try not to keep a big amount of coins on Binance itself, but you can buy the coins on here to build your own portfolio, either by doing it in your wallet and going to the trade section, or simply by buying straight up. Now, the second way to make money with Binance is by earning staking rewards. Now, if you want to buy some cryptocurrency and you don't want to keep it in a Ledger Nano, you don't want to keep it in one of these, what you can do is you can actually stake it, and you can get kind of like an interest rate. So go up to earn and then go to staking. And then in the staking section, what you can do is you can actually stake specific coins, and there's actually more down here. And you can get a return on your investment. So let's just take a look at a few of them right now, kind of up here. So essentially what you do is you basically lock in your coins for like 60 days, 10 days, or whatever, or this one here, 90 days. And in that 90 days, you're going to get a 10% return on those coins. So you'll get paid 10% in those coins as well. And some of them have a 10-day duration, 30, 60, 90. And there's different interest rates for every single one. So with this one, for example, the longer you lock it in, the more you're going to get in return, which makes sense. And if we scroll down, there's so many that you can do. It just keeps going. Now, most of them are going to be 90 days. And essentially, the longer you have them in, the more you're going to get. Now, some of these interest rates are quite outrageous. I'm not sure why they're so high, but just go and think. I actually stake ADA. So I do stake quite a lot of this, not on this platform, but I do mine for 90 days at a time, and I get around about a 10% return on my investment by staking this specific coin. So this is called staking, and you can do this for multiple coins on this platform. What you do is you simply go stake now, and then you can stake the coins. You should have them in your wallet, and then it will automatically start staking for you. You lock it in, and then once that time's over, you'll have more coins than what you originally put in. So that is called staking, and you can stake on Binance, and you can also stake on other platforms as well. Think of it as a term deposit, like at a bank. You lock money in, you get interest in return. Well, this is the same, but with cryptocurrencies. Now, the next one is one of my favorites, and it's called Earn a Commission with Binance. What does that mean? If you go to Binance.com and you scroll all the way down to the bottom and you click affiliate, it's going to take you to this page right here, and it's called Join the Binance Affiliate Program. And what you can actually do is you can earn up to 50% lifetime commissions on every qualified trade. Now that is for the fees. So if you refer someone to Binance and they buy a bunch of cryptocurrency, you could get up to 50% of the fee of that transaction. Here's all the information down here. You can go and check it out on the affiliate page. You go to here, you go down to affiliate, and it will take you to this page. And it's got all the rules and everything that you need to know and how you can sign up. Now, how do you actually make money with this? It's actually very simple. If we go to this, I'm going to show you two ways of doing this. If we go to YouTube and we go make money crypto, you'll see all of these specific videos based on how you can make money with cryptocurrency. Now, I don't know why there's gaming ones in there, maybe because I've been watching them. Now, if we go up to this one here, for example, the 5 best altcoins on Binance right now, you'll see this link right here. This is a affiliate link. So basically, if someone clicks on this link, he's going to make a commission from that. This one here is another person. Right down here, sign up to Binance. This is an affiliate link. So when you sign up, you get an affiliate link. And what you'll notice is these videos are based around Binance. So it makes sense to put an affiliate link in there. And then we have one of my videos here about how to mine Ethereum. We have a Binance link down here. So if people click on this link, I make 50% on any of the fees per transaction that anybody does. And it actually starts to stack up pretty quickly. So you can do that. That's called affiliate marketing. Now, another way to actually do it and another way to get commissions is you can actually start a blog based on cryptocurrency. Now, for example, this is how to make money with cryptocurrency. We scroll down. All of these, a lot of these links are affiliate marketing links. So this one here is an affiliate link. So if someone clicks on this link, they are going to make a commission. Same with Coinbase, same with Robinhood. And if we scroll down, there's more information. But the thing is, the content needs to be based on cryptocurrency. And then when you actually recommend things that are cryptocurrency related, you can actually make a commission. Now, if we read here, go down here, it says read more, click on how to withdraw from Binance. This is another blog post, and he probably has affiliate links as well. So right here, this is an affiliate link. It's probably an affiliate link. I don't know for sure, but it would be silly if it wasn't. And he's going to make a commission every time someone signs up. He's going to make 50% of those fees. So that is affiliate marketing with Binance. This is a great way by actually recommending the product. Instead of actually going to have to build your own portfolio and stuff like that, you can use this method right here. Now, another way to make money with Binance is by mining and savings. So let me explain to you exactly what they are. Now, the first one is proof of work, and this is mining. Now, you can actually set up to mine cryptocurrencies on Binance. Now, I don't know much specifically about this because I mine on another network, but what you can do if you are into crypto mining, you can basically use the Ethereum pool and you can earn rewards and you can mine cryptocurrencies and you can set up your own workers and everything like that. And if you don't know much about mining, I do have a video on my channel about that. But you can go and set up your own mining pool to mine cryptocurrencies on Binance. Now, another way to make money on Binance also is have a savings account. So essentially it's kind of like staking, but it's a bit more flexible. The interest is a little bit lower, but you don't have to lock anything in. And you can go and start your own, and there's all of these coins. Once again, you can go and start your own savings account on Binance. And here's the interest rates right here. All you do is click subscribe and you can start saving on Binance. It's a very simple way to just keep your cryptocurrencies on there and get an interest. Now, I did say don't keep your cryptocurrencies on Binance, but it's a bit different when it's in this stuff. They have some pretty good security. It's better than it just sitting on your account doing nothing. So if you're going to have it sitting on your account doing nothing, put it on a ledger. If not, put it into some sort of savings or staking rewards accounts. And these are the interest rates that you can get. Now, there are other multiple ways to make money on Binance, but we're not going to cover them all in this video because a lot of them are advanced. So for example, you could go and do what we call margin calling, but that's very advanced stuff. So make sure if you do that, you know what you're doing. You can do strategy trading. Once again, that's very advanced as well. And there's also things like Binance Visa cards that you can do. There's other ways, so you can go up to the Earn tab, and there's all of these other ways you can earn with Binance. However, the ones that I recommended in this video are pretty much the best ones for beginners, so you are going to want to stick to those. All right, guys, so that's how you can make money on Binance in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.